Hello WebHeads, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to make money online by signing up to this cool website. On this website you can earn up to $10, $15, $20, $30 a day. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with my latest updates. Thank you guys, let's begin. So today I'm going to show you this cool website. On this website, I can tell you one thing guys, it has a massive traffic. It has over 2.5 million people visiting every single month. It has 79,357 members. Altogether over 14.5 million visits delivered. It has paid out around 11 million and something $1,000 so far. The top 5 earners on this website in last 48 hours, you can see Mad0102 has earned around $1,549. Second is Rafael, he has earned over $900. Third, $600. Number 4, $581, and number 5, $449 so far in just 48 hours. There is a big potential. You can earn a lot of money from this website. To start work on this website, you just need to register. I have already registered, so I'm just gonna log in. So once you log into this website, you'll be brought to this page. It's like a dashboard where you will have bonus ad points, paid earnings, and you can deposit your funds inside to buy some more BAPs. BAPs actually stand for bonus ad points, which are given to you by looking at some ads. So let me show you how it works. Every day you will be giving some ad points. So here you can see if I visit this, I will get 130 BAP points. Yeah, I'm gonna click this link in front of you guys because this expires in 21 hours. I have 2 so far, so I'm going to click this. Here's the interface. Type of ad is bonus ad, ID, link ad, and it will give me 130 BAP points. So I'm going to press view bonus ad. It will bring me to this page where I have to wait for 25 seconds, I guess. Once this time runs out, I'll be given 130 BAP points. So I'm just going to wait until these seconds are finished. I'm gonna press collect. So as you can see, I already have bonus ad points, 130 BAP. So once I get 3080 BAPs, I will get $1. So that's how this process works. You can deposit your funds to buy more BAPs. You can refer your friends. So on this program, you can actually share your referral link, not only to your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, but you can actually use referral tools and create banners for your blog, website, and here's multiple sizes for the banners anyway. So you can use these banners on your website. So when somebody clicks on these links, they will be brought to this website, and each time somebody comes here, you will get earning from it. So you can earn up to 15% commission by referring your friends, and also you can earn 7% when they receive daily earnings. So this is a great way to earn some money from this website guys. So make sure you check it out, sign up to this website, and do let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys do well on this website because I've received so many messages from people on my Facebook that this website is really good when it comes to paying. So you will get the money through PayPal. So guys, do check out this website. It's really good when it comes to daily earnings. You can share it with your friends. You can make money from referrals. You can deposit funds to buy some more BAPs. You can actually watch ads to earn BAPs. So this is basically a legit way to make money every day from just visiting this website. So check it out. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think of this website, and if you like it or if you have any questions or information about this website, please do let me know. Thanks for watching guys. Do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with my future videos. Have a good day guys. See you soon. Bye.